Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to fix text in Mailchimp. If you've ever pasted content into an email campaign only to find that it's carrying over unwanted formatting from its original source, this tutorial will show you exactly how to restore clean, consistent text styling. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to sign in to your existing account. If you're new to Mailchimp, you can create an account by following the on-screen prompts, which will guide you through setting up your profile and entering your business details. This initial setup ensures your campaigns are properly configured from the start. After signing in, you'll land on your dashboard. From here, look at the left-hand menu and click on Campaigns. This section is where all your email marketing efforts are managed, giving you access to both past campaigns and the ability to create new ones. In the top right corner of your screen, you'll see a button labeled Create. Click on it to begin setting up a new campaign. Next, click on Email and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. You can choose from regular, plain text, multivariate, or from template. For this tutorial, we'll be using a regular email campaign as it's the most commonly used format. Once you've made your selection, enter a name for your campaign to keep things organized, then click Begin to proceed. Now you'll need to configure the basic settings for your email. In the Taupe section, click Add Recipients. Here, you'll choose your audience or a specific segment of subscribers you want to target. Once you've made your selection, click Save. Moving to the From section, click Add From and enter the sender name and email address that will appear in your recipients' inboxes. This helps establish trust and recognition with your audience, so make sure these details are accurate. Click Save to confirm. In the Subject section, click Add Subject and type in a compelling subject line that will encourage your recipients to open the email. A strong subject line can significantly impact your open rates, so take a moment to craft something engaging. Click Save when you're done. You also have the option to schedule your email for a specific date and time if you don't want to send it immediately. On the right side of your screen, hover your cursor over and click on Design Email. You'll be presented with Mailchimp's selection of email templates. Choose the one that best fits your campaign's needs, and you'll be directed to the Email Designer page where you can customize your content. Here's where we address the formatting issue. On the Email Designer page, locate the text you wish to fix. Often when you paste content from another source like a Word document or a website, it carries over unwanted formatting such as different fonts, sizes, or colors that don't match your campaign's style. To fix this, highlight the problematic text. Then, look at the right side menu where you'll find the formatting toolbar. Among the options, you'll see one named Clear Styles. Click on it, and this will immediately strip away all the carried over formatting, restoring the text to Mailchimp's default styling. This ensures consistency across your entire email and gives you a clean slate to apply your preferred formatting if needed. Once you're satisfied with how your text looks, click Save and Close at the top of the page. Your text is now fixed and your email is ready to be reviewed or sent. That's all there is to it. You've successfully cleaned up your text formatting in Mailchimp, ensuring your email campaign looks polished and professional. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.